Samsung has won not one, but two innovation awards for two of their different camera models. Here to tell us more about them is Kyle Kappmeier with Samsung. Kyle, first, which models that you have in your hands there?
This is the NX10. This is Samsung's mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, and we're really excited to have won the Innovation Award for the NX10. Its innovation is incredible. I mean, it's a brand new category of camera. It's the next generation of camera, essentially. What Samsung's engineers have done is remove the mirror box from the DSLR, which is one of the defining characteristics of a DSLR, and that allowed them to create a system that's entirely compact. So essentially we're combining the best of both worlds in a DSLR, which is the sensor size, so we're using an APS-C size sensor, and then the compact form factor and ease of use of a point-and-shoot camera. So this gives consumers who are looking to capture those professional quality images but don't want to lug around a heavy-duty or a bulky large DSLR with large lenses, the ability to take along the NX10. They're going to be able to create these amazing, breathtaking images, and not just images, 720p high-definition video as well.
Sounds good. I understand this model also has a larger than average size sensor in there.
Yes, the APS-C sensor is larger than the competing systems on the market today. So in theory, the larger the sensor, the better its ability to gather incoming light and produce better quality images. So we're confident in the camera's ability to do exactly that.
And what kind of reception have you been seeing towards that camera at the show this week?
It's been incredible. We've also announced a series of other lenses at the show, so 5 new lenses for the system is going to be available. So consumers are really going to have a turnkey solution with the NX10, so they can rely on us for flashes, lenses, accessories such as filters, and more.
Does this camera mark Samsung's first entry into interchangeable lens systems?
It does. And we have had DSLRs, which we've introduced in the past, but we found through consumer research and consumer feedback that they were looking for something that was in between. So for the consumer who wants to step up but isn't yet ready for a DSLR, this is definitely the system for them, because it will actually grow with them. You can add on lenses, which you can't do with the point and shoot. You can take video, a high quality video. You can take video with point and shoots, of course, but the quality of the video is far superior.
Due to that larger sensor?
Absolutely.
And what's the base price for that model?
It's going to be $699 in the US, and that will come with an 18 to 55 millimeter lens with optical stabilization, which is the lens. Yep, which is the lens included. But other lenses, such as a 30 millimeter pancake, which is an f2.0, so it's a quite fast lens, and then a 50 to 200 millimeter lens with optical stabilization are also going to be available right now.
Right. And your other award-winning camera is a pocket model, but what's distinctive about this pocket camera?
Well, that's our DualView TL210. In 2009, we announced DualView for the first time, so it's a revolutionary camera system that has 2 LCD screens. So that gives the people who want to perfect their self-portrait for their social networking sites, or even friends or family who want to get in the picture with their friends and not be the step-out person who's always missing from the photograph, to step in the picture and be part of the fun. The TL210, which won the Innovation Award at PMA, is the next entry for DualView.
And what does it advance on the previous model?
Well, the front LCD screen can now be used for video. So our original DualView camera, you could not use the front screen to shoot video or to see yourself in the video. The front LCD screen also now has additional face recognition technologies, auto shooting modes. One is a really interesting mode called couple shot. So if you and your significant other are in the shot and you're using the camera to take your photo, it'll recognize both of your faces, and then it's automatically take the shot when you're approaching each other, when your heads approach.
The intimacy feature.
Exactly, which was great for Valentine's Day recently. Another great feature is the child mode. So that was one of the standout features for DualView when we first announced it in 2009. So the camera will display a short cartoon animation, which is designed to get a child's attention, get them to look at the camera, and save mom and dad from having to make silly faces in public and embarrass themselves. But with the TL210, we now give the camera to play a short audio clip. So you hear a whistle, a little clown honking its horn.
And really get the kids' attention.
Exactly. And it also keeps the wide-angle lens, a great 5x optical zoom, and 720p HD video.
All right, sounds excellent. Congratulations on the award.
Thanks very much. We appreciate it.